New at 6 from the ABC 7 News I-Team tonight. Major news out of Alameda County Superior Court. Good evening. I'm Ama Dates.
And I'm Dan Ashley. Thanks for joining us. The Alameda County DA, Pamela Price, has dropped 2 of 3 murder charges against the defendant in a case that she inherited from the last administration.
This case is one of the first Price faced after taking office in January. I-Team
reporter Dan Noyes was in court today, and he's here with the very latest. Dan?
Dan and Ama, Pamela Price tried to have the judge on this case removed after he rejected a plea deal that would have reduced the prison sentence for Delonzo Logwood from 75 years in prison to just 15. But we learned today the judge is staying on the case. Delonzo Logwood was charged with 3 murders and many enhancements when he was 18 years old. He later graduated from high school while in jail. In March, after Judge Mark McCannon rejected a plea deal that would have gotten Logwood out of prison after serving 15 years instead of 75, District Attorney Pamela Price tried to have the judge removed from the case. Today, a judge from San Luis Obispo County ruled that McCannon will remain, writing, "The presumption of judicial honesty and integrity has not been fully rebutted." Then a surprise. Price's prosecution team made a motion to drop 2 of Logwood's 3 murder charges.
The prosecution acknowledged the problems with the case that I've been talking about for years.
David Briggs is Logwood's defense attorney.
2 of them got dismissed. We're looking forward to proving his innocence on the 3rd one, but today was a great victory.
Logwood will not face charges in the death of Richard Carter during alleged carjacking robbery in 2008, or in the death of Zaire Washington that same year. He was set to testify against Logwood's half-brother. The prosecution now says a key witness, identified only as DL, is unreliable. The first prosecutor on the case under former District Attorney Nancy O'Malley, Stacey Pettigrew, reduced DL's 31-year sentence for attempted murder and manslaughter associated with Logwood's case to just 19 years, 4 months. And here's that first prosecutor's mistake. She gave the witness a reduced sentence to testify in Logwood's preliminary hearing, but the witness got out of jail in February and won't return to testify at the trial.
According to his attorney, he was willing to be put in jail for contempt of court rather than testify.
But the prosecutor wrote in today's motion, because of the structure of this cooperation agreement, there is no mechanism by which the people can penalize DL for violating his promise at this stage of the proceedings.
You make sure that they give you the testimony that you need before you let them out.
Former San Francisco and federal prosecutor Tony Brass tells me the prosecution could have used DL's testimony from the preliminary hearing.
I don't know who evaluated that transcript and decided, well, this doesn't carry the day. That's something that is really unusual, too. Prosecutors use preliminary hearing transcripts all the time at trial.
But today, the prosecutor said DL's testimony does not correspond with the evidence in key areas. As for the last charge Logwood faces, his attorney says he has a witness who confirms the murder-for-hire story is not true.
There's no way this was a murder for hire, whoever did it, but Delonzo Logwood didn't do it.
Wow, so this case could actually go away soon, you're saying? Yeah, it's what it sounds like.
Ask me tomorrow, Dan.
I've spoken to Delonzo Logwood's mother in past court appearances, and today she finally smiled when I asked if she saw this as good news. Also today, the prosecutor on the case declined to comment. I also asked DA Pamela Price and her new spokesperson, Tracy Grant, for an interview or a statement today and did not receive an answer from them. Dan, Ama?
Okay. Thanks, Dan.
Thank you.